And the IFTA goes to Thaddeus O'Sullivan, Churchill Into the Storm, Scottree Films and Raymore Films. Hello, darling. Congratulations.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
It's a tough one first up, I can tell you. I thought I was going to let my hangover wear off before I got this one. Many thanks to everybody, to IFTA for this wonderful award. Thank you to my producers, to Ridley Scott Associates, to HBO and BBC, who produced this film, to Brendan Gleeson, who's here tonight and also fellow nominee. We had a wonderful cast, and Brendan was incredibly supportive throughout the whole production. Thank you very much. Thank you.